Thanks for coming to our demos of information engineering. Okay, in the following 3 demos, we're going to tell you if you join this program and learn here for 4 years, what best you can do. Okay, so I'm very happy to be here to show you our first demo is a virtual lab tour with a mobile robot. Basically, I will bring you guys to another lab in another building to show you something there. Okay, use a robot. We can control the robot and show you different angles. Okay, so my name is Henry Chen. So I'm an assistant professor here. So if you join this program, I will teach you some of the courses. Okay, so let's get started. So I think many of you learn things online, right? You watch YouTube videos, and then some of you may use Coursera to learn something you want to learn. But that is just kind of passive videos online, no interactive. You cannot ask questions and no response immediately, right? But it's a passive kind of learning. So and then thanks to the COVID, this is the other side of COVID. Okay, we get used to Zoom, right? We kind of online teaching, and then we can have such kind of interactive operations. So at least you can ask questions. But that is again kind of passive because you cannot have a very strong sense of participation if you want to, especially for some experimental courses. Okay, you cannot control something there. You just only can sit there and see the other side, the demonstrator control something and demo something to you. Okay, and then so what will be the future education look like? This is something we image within the information engineering technology, that we will have this kind of telepresence based education. What that look like? So you sit in front of a computer, okay, and then there is another remote robot here, and you can basically have a two-way video. This is conventional like Zoom, okay, but on the other side, you can send control command. You can control the robot. If I want to see in this angle, I can control it to move to this side. If I want to do the other thing, I can also do. But of course, there is some sensor measurement to you, so that you know where is the robot now, how I can control it to move. Okay, so I think next one we're going to give you a virtual lab tour. This is what I mentioned. I have my colleague, Dr. Zhang here. So we are here, ERB 1004. And I have another robot, this one, on the other building, okay? And at that room, we also have a robotic arm. We will play a trick for you and see whether you can guess how the robot do the trick, okay? So let's connect to the robot. You can see now the robot there. It's here. And then now you can see my colleague, Mr. Huang there, and we have a robotic arm. You see that the robot, you can control it, and then the robot will gradually come in. So now I will hand over to Mr. Huang and you guys.
我哋就睇一下啲三係真係咁。第二個下邊都係第三個下邊都係好。咁不如我哋俾一個真正嘅挑戰俾嘅。咁而家 Phil 咧手上面攞住咗一個電腦版。咁我可以喺呢一度請一位同學去幫我揀下呢一個電腦版應該放上面中間嘅呢三個盒上面。
So which one you want to put the circuit into? The top one, middle one, or bottom one? Top one? Okay. Any idea?
有冇同學想考下個機械人？舉手。冇我點啊？好，你話上中下，中間 middle one please。
Middle one please。
哦，middle one，OK。好，咁我哋而家就將呢一個電腦版咧裝緊中間。咁想問下你哋想將呢一個裝有電腦版嘅落嚟放響我哋嘅台面左邊，中間定右邊咧？
Okay, which one? Which position you want to put?
左中右，左中右。舉手，舉手。左邊 the left one please。
Left, left, left。
好，咁因為其他呢兩個都係空檔，咁我哋就將佢隨機咁樣擺放。好，而家呢場咧亦都係操作咗呢個機械人。咁操作之後咧，佢就會產生好，我哋有機械臂佢開始，佢好似喺度跟住。
Hurry, yeah.
呢一個咧，咁其實好明顯就係我哋啱先選擇裝咗呢個電板嘅包裝盒。咁我哋原品裏邊咧，我就可以去啦。其他呢兩個包裝盒咧，就係裝。咁相信咧各位同學有啲聰明嘅同學咧，就已經心裏面有咗答案知道我哋嘅機械臂。
Where the echo come from? It's from your Zoom, right? It's Zoom, Zoom.
大家去講解一下佢哋睇佢根本。
So, do you want to guess how the robot arm can see through the box and then guess which one has the board, the circuit board?
就係我哋機械臂識別盒裏面有冇物體嘅一個原理圖。我哋可以睇到呢個機械臂上面咧裝咗一個radio device， 之後咧佢上面有一支發射天線 TX， 仲有一支接收天線 RX。之後咧佢可以我哋嘅 radio device 可以生成一個signal， 然之後呢一個脈衝信號咧，佢係有好強嘅穿透性，就好似 X 光咁樣去穿透唔同嘅物體。然之後咧，佢經過我哋嘅發射天線發射咗出嚟之後咧，形成咗兩條唔同嘅途徑。一個係經過我哋嗰邊嘅路徑，一個係經過我哋花旗嘅。咁俾我哋嘅接收天線 RX 收到，形成咗兩個唔同嘅回波信號。咁呢兩個回波信號咧，佢哋係有唔同嘅途徑。我哋嘅算法咧，就可以通過呢兩個信號唔同嘅強弱嚟生成一個 radio 頻譜。咁呢個就係我哋機械臂啱先實時生成嘅一個結果。左邊咧就係我哋 camera 呢個機械臂上面裝咗個 camera 所影到嘅畫面。咁我哋可以睇到咧，佢只可以識別出呢個係三個盒，但係唔知道佢嘅用途喺任何方面。但係因為右邊一個 radio， 佢就可以知道呢個高亮嘅部分咧，就係佢覺得裏面有問題嘅地方。 咁去到呢個實行咧，就係左邊嘅呢一個項目係個裝業，從而咧我哋嘅機械臂就咗咁樣程度。咁呢一個就係我哋機械臂去識別出花花可能咁嘅一個現象。唔知各位同學有冇明白？好，我哋而家將畫面送俾翻 Professor Chen。
Okay, bye bye. Thank you. So now you have a sense of a future class look like, enabling by our information engineering technologies. Okay. So what the next? So this is probably on our roadmap of next year. So we're going to now you only can telepresence yourself. You can put a robot there, your face on that, but the control kind of things of the robotic arm is still done by the demonstrator, right? So what we're going to do is try to enable you to not only show your face there, but also can use like VR technology to control the robotic arm on the other side, okay? So this is from telepresence to teleoperation. And this also is not only these education use cases, this can be used in other application, industrial application, medical application like remote surgery, okay? So how this connect to our program? So this is our information engineering, our goal is to build a networked smart and secure applications for the information age, okay? So all our focus is about data and information, and we almost touch every aspect. After joining the program, you will learn almost every aspect of the way to deal with data and the information. First of all, you need generation of information. Previously, we have a camera there. The camera will capture what happened the other side. And then we have a lot of, this is kind of sensor. Then we also have Internet of Things and cyber physical systems. These are all regarding about generation of information. And then it will go through, previously the robot is connected to a Wi-Fi, okay? And then how the Wi-Fi works and how 5G works, we will teach you. This is about distribution. And after the 5G or Wi-Fi, connect to the internet and then go through the internet and the cables. We will also teach you on that, okay? So basically both wide and wireless communication are covered, okay? And then at the receiver side, once we receive the information, how we can extract or analyze the information, use AI, big data analytics, and also machine learning. We will also have courses here. Of course, we have other processing, like previously we used actual multimedia processing, how we should adaptively compress the video if the internet is not good enough. We have this kind of course, okay? And then computer vision, how we can extract like human recognition, these kind of things from the video you received, also cloud and edge computing, okay? And of course, very importantly, think about if you have a robot in your home like that, and you can do something if you are not at home, okay? But you don't want somebody else hack into the robot and then control it, okay? That's terrible. So we put a lot of emphasis on the cybersecurity because this is a very, very important area for the future because a lot of things in your home and your like your air conditioner, even your air conditioner will connect to the internet. We do not want other people to control it and hack into it, okay? And then, of course, to do all this kind of design, we need a very solid theory foundations. We have a lot of course to teach you how to design the system in a very sound way, okay? So this is the general coverage of our program. So of course, next slide, please. Of course, you can have different focus because after learn the first 2 years, some of you say, oh, I'm very interested in cybersecurity. And then during your third year and the fourth year, you can focus on cybersecurity mainly. Of course, you are allowed to choose other courses. These are the course list of our cybersecurity area. And here just give you, we have 5 main areas. Some of you are interested with AI, big data. You can go from this stream of specialization. And then some of you say, I'm very interested in the communication part. And then we have a list of communication courses for you to attend and become a communication professionals, okay? And then, of course, we also have internet engineering and information science. This side is mainly teach you the theory and mathematics foundations, okay? And then this is probably the last slide. Go to the next one. So I sincerely invite you guys to join our program, IERG or MIEG. So I want to say what you learn here will drive you to change the world. Okay, thank you.